Hi, I'm Dana Carr, president of the Florida International Air Show. This is our 38th year of aviation excitement, October 19th through 20th. We're coming back to Southwest Florida with a fantastic air show. We have everything from a MiG jet, P-51 Mustang, a Vampire jet, and much, much more entertainment both on the ground and in the air for everyone. This is an exciting event. Family-friendly ticket pricing right now. If you buy online, you'll save the best dollars. Please go to floridaairshow.com, buy your tickets in advance. You'll get a super discounted price, and you'll beat the lines when you get to the air show.